How to blur video in Davinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, and under Open FX, drag Gaussian blur into your video. Select your video and go to Inspector, and under Effects tab, change strength to your liking. Now our video is blurred, but let's say we want to blur it over time. Move the playhead to where you want to start blurring the video. Click on this diamond to create a keyframe and set strength to 0. Move the playhead to where you want the video to be blurred, and increase blur strength. This will create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want to unblur the video, and click on the diamond to create a keyframe with current value. Move the playhead to where you want your video to completely be unblurred and set the strength to 0. And now our video slowly blurs and unblur. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.